Hello, I'm Kevin. Today we're going to talk about the PEL104 Power and Energy Logger from Chauvin-Arnoux. The PEL104 adds to the functionality of the existing PEL102, 103 products by adding wireless connectivity in the form of Wi-Fi and also GPRS. So it is possible to fit a SIM card to the PEL104 and access your data remotely. So what are the key accessories that we get with the PEL104? So we get 3 meter long voltage leads. We get 4 of these, obviously for the 3 phases and neutral. And these also come in these little reeling boxes, little mini extension leads that you can wind your leads back into. And they also have a magnetic connection on the back, which allows them to attach to a distribution board or a switching cabinet. We also have 4 crock clips, and PEL104 comes with 3 MA194 current sensors in the form of these Rogowski coils. So these Rogowski coils allow you to wrap them around the conductor for measurement, and they'll measure AC currents up to 10,000 amps. Now there is also a range of optional accessories that we provide in the form of different CTs. So we have hard jaw clamps, AC/DC clamps, and various types of Rogowski coil. So you're pretty well covered whatever your testing scenario. So what are the typical applications for a power and energy logger? Well, as the name suggests, logging power and energy. So they're a great entry-level power quality analyzer. So you can actually look at things like voltage dips, voltage instability. We can look at harmonics up to the 50th order for both voltage and current. And we can also look at things like total harmonic distortion, power factor, and many other parameters within the installation. So really useful from a power quality point of view. We also can look at the energy efficiency side of things. So if you're trying to make energy efficiency savings, or you're trying to make energy efficiency savings for a customer, using a PEL104 is a great place to start. You can log for a period of time, identify areas where energy can be saved, and you can then prioritize your energy efficiency savings based on the real world data that you've gained from carrying out your logging with the PEL104. So you can see that the PEL104 is becoming an essential tool for any 3-phase electrician. If you'd like to find out more information about the PEL104 or arrange a product demonstration, please get in touch. And if you'd enjoyed this video, please just take a couple of seconds to click on the like button below and subscribe to our channel so you can see more useful information about the PEL104 and other Chauvin-Arnoux products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video.